Once you have clicked on that, you would need to find the PSIber ESS and click on that. It will then take you to Employee Self-Service home screen. You will then need to add in your username and your password and click on Login. You will then click on Leave Management, Apply for Leave, select your leave time, select your leave day, and click on Update. As soon as you have done this, you will receive a leave notification to say that your leave application has gone through and it is sitting under requested. If you as an employee would like to cancel your leave application, all you need to do is log on to ESS again, click on Leave Management, click on Leave History, click on the requested leave time, select Open. As long as the status of your leave application is still sitting under requested, you can then change that to cancelled. You click on Save, and you will then get an email notification to say that your leave application has now been cancelled. If you are now a manager that would like to approve leave, you would follow the same steps. You would click on hrtalk.co.za, click on Login, come down to PSIber ESS. You will find your employee self-service login screen. Log in with your details. Click on Login, and on the top you will see a bell notification. Click on the bell notification. You will then be able to see all of the leave applications that are pending. You can then either approve or reject the leave. If you click on Approve, an email notification will then go out to yourself and to the employee that will then show the status of the leave either being approved or declined.